Hello viewers, welcome to Creative Studio. Today we want to learn how you can be able to create a YouTube channel from your Android phone, and as you see it is absolutely easy. So the first thing that you need so that you can be able to create your YouTube channel, you need a Google account. That is you should have created a Gmail account. Then from there, if you already have a Gmail account, so the next thing you are supposed to go to your YouTube app. So I go to my YouTube app, so it's here. Then there is a circular icon at the top right, so I click there. So as you can see, there is no channel that is associated with my YouTube app. So what I am supposed to do is I am supposed to sign in. That is with my Google account. So I press sign in, then add account. So I'll be taken directly to where I can be able to sign in the Gmail account. So here I will type the address of my Gmail account. So mine is tutorials 490 at gmail.com. Good. Then I click next. No, I have not .com. Then I click next. Then I write my password. So here is my password. Good. So I agree to the terms and conditions. Good, it is loading. Then I click can click more, accept. I accept the other Google terms and conditions, and you can see now I've already signed in. So the next thing that I'm supposed to do, I'll get back to the icon here. So as you can see, the color has already changed, and I've already signed in. So you can see my account is YouTuber Tutorials, and this is the email account. So the next thing we want to see, how can you create a YouTube channel? So you go to your channel. So I want to create. So I want to create a channel. So as you can see, I have already created a YouTube channel with the title YouTuber Tutorials, and here is an icon where you're supposed to upload your videos. So anyway, in the next tutorial, I'll be able to show you how you can be able to upload your content, how you can be able to apply various settings, and how you can be able to apply the tags so that you can be able to attract a lot of traffic. And in the subsequent video, I'll also be able to show you how you can be able to build your traffic so that you can be able to earn from it. So meanwhile, I'm just encouraging you to subscribe so that you always have a notification in case I upload a video.